So this is elementary OS, and this operating system is based on Ubuntu. So this is the latest version, OS 8. So I'm installing this in a virtual machine. So here I'm going to choose the language, English. I'll select the US keyboard layout. I'm going to leave it as English. I'll leave it as default. So I have three options here. I'm going to select erase disk and install. I'll select the drive. So here you can enable the drive encryption. I'm going to select don't encrypt. So this is the additional driver section. I'll select include third-party proprietary drivers when installing. So installation is complete. I'm going to restart the device. So I'm going to create an account. I'll click on Finish Setup. So on the login page, there's a gear icon here. And there are two options, Secure and Classic Session. I'll leave it as Classic Session. This is the welcome page. And here you can continue to set up some useful features. I'm just going to browse through this. I'll click Next. So this is the dock, and on top, this is the panel. This is applications. I'll click on that. Here you can search for applications. So this is accessories, graphics, internet. This is Office. This is programming, sound and video, system tools. I'm going to open the AppCenter and I can search for apps here. I'll type Discord. I'm going to download Discord. I'll click on free and it's installing. I'll open Discord. I'll open the calculator. I'll open the calendar app. This is the code app. So this is the email client app. I'll open the screenshot app. I'll open the shortcuts app. So to open the applications menu is Alt F2. So I'll press that on the keyboard and it opens the application menu. So this can be changed. So to change the applications menu shortcut keys, the default is Alt F2 and it's under System. I'll select Keyboard Settings. And these are some of the settings for Windows, workspaces, screenshots. This is applications, media, universal access, system, keyboard layouts, custom. And there's layout, input method, shortcuts, behavior. So I'll select system. On the applications menu, this is the shortcut keys. So to change the keys, so I'll click on the gear icon, select set new shortcut. So I'll change it to Alt Q. So I'm going to test it. I'm going to press Alt Q. And the application menu opens. So this is the dock, and it's similar to Mac. So on the dock, there's a multitasking view app. This is the Files app. This is the web browser. So here I can choose a search engine, and I can add a search engine here. So this is the task app. This is the music app. I'll open the settings app. So these are some of the settings, and it's listed by categories: personal, hardware, network and wireless, administration. I'll click on power. I'll click on user accounts. I'll open screen time and limit. This is a sharing app. So I'm going to open some applications. I'll open Task app. I'll open the Calendar app. So I'm going to click on the multitasking view app. So this can be moved around. So I'll right click the desktop and select change wallpaper. So these are some of the wallpapers. This is appearance. So this is the default theme. This is the app theme. I'm going to switch to the app theme. I can change the size of text here. There's also an option for dyslexia friendly. This is the dock and panel settings, so I can change the dock size here. So this is the panel on top, and I can turn the panel translucency on or off. So in the showing panel, I can show the accessibility app, caps and lock, and numlock. So on the panel, this is the date and time. So on the top right side, here I have the screen reader option here. I can turn this on-screen keyboard. I can change the dark mode or light mode, change the text size. This is the settings app. This is the notifications icon. This is the network connection icon. I can enable airplane mode. I'll click on network settings. And this is a speaker icon. So on the AppCenter, Flatpak is enabled. So for example, if I want to install any one of these, Image Optimizer, I'll open it, and there's a drop-down tab here. And there's FlatHub. So I'm going to open the terminal app. I'm going to install VLC Media Player. I'll type sudo app install VLC. So VLC is installed. So if you check the kernel version, I'll type uname R. So the kernel version is 6.8. So I'll run this command to check the desktop environment. So this is the desktop environment. I'll check the session type. I'll run this command. So it's X11. So to check how many packages I installed, I'll run this command. That's applist_i. And these are all the packages that I installed. So to get a word count of how many packages installed, I'll use the pipe command. I'll type wc-l. So it's 1,704 packages. To see how many Flatpaks I installed, I'll type Flatpak list. So these are all the Flatpak apps. So this was just a short overview of the new Elementary Operating System 8. And you can go to the website to get more information about this operating system. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.